It's a 7x14 is what it is. It's the Vevor 7x14. So let's just check it out. We're going forward. I'll leave that locked. Turn it on. Give it some juice. Turn it off and it's got reverse. Alright. It's got a second or two before it starts doing it, but this will even go in reverse right here too. So, not bad. It doesn't have a digital readout, that's okay. And I need to get a set of gears for it. And a key for the chuck. But there's a center. It goes right here. And, well, that's just a bonus. But a little bit of trading for this thing right here. It'll come out alright. So I need a set of gears for it. That's just to do threading and stuff, you know, but I'm surprised. I mean, really and truly, this thing's pretty daggone tight. I mean, let's get that up. There you go. It's smooth. And this one's smooth. About the only thing I really need to do is check, see how we'll get the run out on it and see if it's accurate. See how accurate it is. I did see a way to be able to adjust these things, so I don't know. But yeah, I had to get a tool kit for it, which of course I got enough tools, I ain't worried about that. I gotta tighten this up because she wants to flop around, but other than that, it's pretty nice. I mean, there's no slop in that at all. Once you get it where I can tighten it down, then I can really move it. And it does. It's got the gauge on it to tell you how many 16 millimeters or whatever that is right there on it, to be able to do its thing. So see how deep they're going. Pop that little bad boy out and put that in over here and just have that for later. It's a 7x14. There you go, guys. It works.